Did you know? Kif's youngest daughter is actually Leela's child. 20 years ago, Amy and Kif had an unexpected pregnancy. Since they weren't ready to be parents, they placed the child in the spawning pool of Kif's species. Today was the day the children would finally grow legs and return to land. The midwife waved her arms and called out. Green bubbles immediately rose from the spawning pool. One by one, the children surged toward the shore.
Stand by, without interfering, as we observe the sacred process known as the winnowing.
Many of the children were eaten by nearby animals. Only 3 managed to crawl onto dry land. The midwife cut their umbilical cords, completing their final transformation.
I'll go dispose of this medical waste with a little butter and lemon.
In the lab, the youngest daughter ran straight to Leela, crying "Mom" over and over again, looking into eyes that mirrored her own. Leela couldn't shake her growing doubt. Just then, the professor explained, Kif's species can reproduce simply by holding hands. 20 years ago, when Leela was drunk, she must have accidentally touched Kif's hand. That's why the youngest daughter carries Leela's DNA. Upon learning the truth, Leela's feelings toward the children changed completely. While Kif was away on duty, Leela offered to help Amy take care of the kids. As the children grew more attached to Leela, Amy grew increasingly uneasy and quickly sent her away. Amy begged the midwife to confirm the truth. After running the clan's genetic tests, the midwife discovered that the children had no relation to Amy at all. Half their DNA came from Kif, and the rest came from Leela and the janitor.